Hi, I just want to show you a couple of gadgets I bought through the mail. It's a company called Invite.com. And if you've ever opened a greeting card and the minute you open it, it sings to you, this is the device that's inside of the greeting card. Well, I've ordered my own so I can record my own song or message or what have you and place it in a card. I've also ordered a box. This box you can put inside of a stuffed animal so that when you squeeze the animal, it will sing or play whatever message you've recorded. Each of these devices will record up to 120 seconds. That's actually 2 minutes, which is fine. I have made a card and I'm going to show you exactly what it does. This is my card for a young lady who just had a baby and her daughter's name is Aubrey. She asked me to make a song for her baby, but she did not know I was going to put it in a card. So I'm going to open the card and let you hear what has.
Miss Aubrey, the cutest little girl with the prettiest smile. Miss Aubrey, Aubrey. Miss Aubrey, the cutest little girl with the prettiest smile. Miss Aubrey, Aubrey.
Now I'm going to ask Mom to put Aubrey's picture right in the middle of that circle, and the song is printed at the top, and of course her name is here at the bottom. And I've recorded, or I've typed in a message that says, Mom, Dad, I did not come with the manual. Some things you would just have to figure out. Some things you will have to figure out as we. Hold on. Oh gosh, let me see if we can stop the recording. Okay. It says some things you will have to figure out as we grow together, but you have a village with a wealth of information. And most of all, the one who created me told me to tell you to ask him first. And of course, on the back is a little bear logo and of course, my printing ID. Ah, very good.